Hey everyone, welcome back to Abundance in Christ. I've got 10 hard Bible questions for you. No rounds, just straight in. You've got 10 seconds to answer each one. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Which Old Testament prophet married a prostitute as a sign to Israel? A. Hosea, B. Jeremiah, C. Ezekiel, D. Malachi. Answer: A. Hosea. Question 2. Who was the priest that raised Samuel? A. Abimelech, B. Phinehas, C. Eli, D. Nathan. Answer: C. Eli. Question 3. Which king consulted a medium to summon the spirit of Samuel? A. Rehoboam, B. Solomon, C. David, D. Saul. Answer: D. Saul. Question 4. What city was Abraham's original home before God called him? A. Haran, B. Ur of the Chaldeans, C. Canaan, D. Babylon. Answer: B. Ur of the Chaldeans. Question 5. Which New Testament book has the most Old Testament quotations? A. Hebrews, B. Revelation, C. Galatians, D. Matthew. Answer: A. Hebrews. Question 6. In the parable of the 10 virgins, what were they waiting for? A. The morning, B. The banquet, C. The king, D. The bridegroom. Answer: D. The bridegroom. Question 7. Who wrote the majority of the Psalms? A. Moses, B. Asaph, C. David, D. Solomon. Answer: C. David. Question 8. Who was the first person to see Jesus after his resurrection? A. Peter, B. Mary Magdalene, C. Martha, D. John. Answer: B. Mary Magdalene. Question 9. What is the shortest verse in the Bible? A. Rejoice always, B. Pray continually, C. God is love, D. Jesus wept. Answer: D. Jesus wept. Question 10. What did God use to speak to Balaam? A. A whirlwind, B. An angel, C. A donkey, D. A bush. Answer: A whirlwind. Alright, that's the end of this quiz. Thanks for watching. How many did you get right? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more Bible quizzes.